Hi friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. Today let's make very easy and simple recipe, egg bites. Egg bites is a healthy breakfast or snack recipe loved by both kids and adults. This simple egg recipe packed with protein and veggies is a must-try recipe. You can even pack this in your kids' lunchbox. Egg bites are easy to make and easy to eat. So let's start the recipe. First, let's heat 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Add 1 finely chopped onion. Add 1 cup of chopped cabbage. Add 1 chopped carrot. Add half chopped capsicum. Add 1 finely chopped tomato. Add few chopped mushroom. Saute the vegetables. You can add the vegetables of your choice. Do not overcook the vegetables. Vegetables should remain crunchy. Now let's add little salt to taste. These egg bites are loaded with vegetables and egg, so it's definitely a very healthy recipe to try. Vegetables are perfectly cooked and crunchy. Keep this aside, we will use this later. Take the sauteed vegetables in a bowl. Let's add 5 eggs. To this, let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add some crushed black pepper. Now let's add some fresh coriander leaves. Whisk it well. Whisk till the egg mixture turns frothy. Now the egg is beaten well and it's frothy. Now let's heat an Appam pan. Sprinkle some oil. Brush the oil. Now let's pour in the egg mixture. Drizzle few drops of oil. Cover and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now let's flip the egg bites. These egg bites are bite-sized snacks which can be packed in your kids' lunchbox. This egg snack recipe is loaded with protein and vegetables, so it's definitely a very healthy snack for all. Cover and cook the other side for another 2 minutes. Egg bites are cooked well now. They are smelling delicious. Take it out on a plate. I hope you all liked this easy recipe. You can serve it as healthy breakfast or snack. What is your favorite egg recipe? How do you like to eat eggs? Do share your answer in the comment box below. Egg bites are ready to serve now. Serve hot with tomato sauce. If you like this recipe, please like the video, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.